Hi, wonderful people. Welcome to my channel. Quietly Be Debt Free. I'm Wanda, and today I want to tell you about car hacking. Car hacking is where you buy a car that is about 5 to 8 years old or at the bottom of its depreciation curve. You drive it for a little while, keep it very clean and well taken care of, and then sell it. Sell it for the same price that you paid for it. That is car hacking because you are riding in a car and you're in that car driving it for free. Car hacking is where you make money from your car. The second thing that I want to tell you about is that people will buy certain kinds of cars. Like there is a person that will buy Honda Accords, all Honda Accords. They look around and they find people that are selling their Honda Accord and they talk them down on their price. And then they take that Honda Accord and they fix it up and then resell it. Resell only Honda Accords because that's what they know how to work on. So they sell those particular cars. Maybe there's a car that you like driving and you can sell that type of car. Buy those cars and then sell them for the amount of money that you paid for it or more. Also, there was a time that my brother had got needed a minivan. He needed a minivan, and it was a time when gas prices were really high. So he just needed one, so he went and bought one, and they were selling them at a very, very low price. So he was able to buy a minivan at a low price, and then he drove it for several years. And then when he sold it, he was able to get at least about $20,000 more than what he paid for it, all because he bought it when it was at a price that was very low and he was able to sell it for a higher price. Now, that might not happen now, but gas prices are high right now. So maybe you could find a vehicle that would work for you at a price and then you'll be able to sell it for more. Also, people will buy an extremely expensive car. They'll buy an extremely expensive car, they'll ride that car for a while, and then when they get ready to sell it, again, they will sell it at the price that they paid for it. So it's still like they are riding in a car at no cost to them. They get their money back. Think about it. uh, the Toyotas and the Hondas. Toyotas and Hondas, those are two types of cars that are really good at keeping their appreciation. Those cars are very good for resale. So look at those cars. See if you can car hack. See if you can car hack and get your money back. Now, take good care of the car. You're going to want to keep it clean and immaculate so that when people get ready to buy the car, they will ask you, did you drive this car at all? And it's all because you've taken such good care of it. But car hacking, that is where you get a car at the bottom of its appreciation curve, drive it for a while, and then sell it. Sell it for the price that you paid for it or more than the price that you paid for it. That is car hacking. As I always say, let's make footprints in this world and build a wealthy, debt free legacy. I'm Wanda. Subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. I'd love to see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out the video on house hacking. Bye.